We'll guide you through how to upload a PDF in Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you'll see the home page with your file list. Look for the blue Upload button on the top right corner of the page and click it. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you two options, Files and Folder. Since you're uploading a PDF, go ahead and select Files. This will open up your computer's file explorer. Navigate to the location where your PDF is saved. Click on the PDF file you want to upload, and then hit the Open button. You'll notice a progress bar at the bottom of the screen showing the upload status. Once the upload is complete, your PDF will appear in the file list on your Dropbox homepage. You can now click on it to view or share it directly from Dropbox. A quick tip: if you want to organize your files better, you can create a new folder before uploading by clicking on New Folder in the left sidebar, and then dragging your PDF into it after the upload. This helps keep everything tidy and easy to find. That's it. You're all set with your PDF uploaded to Dropbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.